Now we are having this question. First of all, we should know that which source it is, right? Tell me which source it is. Yes, it is positive or negative, so it would be voltage source, and it is depending on voltage, so it would be voltage dependent voltage source, that is denoted by VDVS. Clear? Now our next step is, see, I told you whenever you see the current source, you have to make first equation from the current source only. Okay? Now see, this is the current source, and this current source is 12 ampere. This 12 ampere is in the room of I3, right? So I3 and 12 ampere are moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Opposite direction. So I3 would be equal to how much? That is minus 12 ampere, right? Now another equation we can make it from the super mesh. Simple. That would be minus 3I1, then minus 6I2, minus 8. Tell me. Yes, it would be I2 minus I3, then plus 10 is equal to 0. So this is your second equation. Now we have to make the third equation. Oh, sorry, why did I take super mesh? There is no necessary to take super mesh because this is the voltage source only. This is not the current source. If there is a current source, then only in that case we'll take super mesh. Sorry. So it would be simple for the first mesh, minus 3I1 minus 2Vx plus 10 is equal to 0, right? Third equation we can make it from the second equation, second mesh, that would be minus 6I2 minus 8 I2 minus I3 plus 2Vx is equal to 0. Correct? Now see, we have to see, it is depending on voltage, means it is depending on father, right? Now you have to search where his father is. Here is his father, and I told you if it is depending on father means that, so it is depending on voltage, we always used to need to use Ohm's law, right? And as you know, Ohm's law is V is equal to I multiplied by R. So V is what? Over here. V is Vx. Current is how much? It is the middle wall or the corner wall? Middle. So in the middle, we'll have two currents, right? It would be I2 and I3. See, we have to see the sign convention what they have said. That would be I positive to negative, right? So positive to negative, that is according to the I2, because I2 is also moving up to down, and positive to negative also moving like up to down. So I2 would be positive and I3 is just moving according opposite to their direction. So I3 would be negative multiplied by the resistance. How much is the resistance? 8 ohm. Okay, we have to see according to the sign convention. I'm telling you again, according to this, you know that current always flows from higher potential to the lower potential, so it is moving up to down. I2 is also moving up to down, so same direction positive, but I3 is moving down to up. Opposite direction means negative. Now we are having four variable, four equation, we can solve it simply.